what's up guys, Tuned Engines here, and we're gonna be fixing the fuel tank on the 69 C10. Alright guys, so as y'all know, in the last video y'all probably saw that we didn't have a fuel tank for the truck. We were using a little gasoline reservoir to start it up, but we actually went ahead and bought the fuel tank and all the hardware for it so we can install it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go to the parts store and get all the stuff we need. Okay guys, so this is all the parts we're gonna need for today, and then this is the main thing, gonna be the most important thing of the build. Alright, let me do a little unboxing for y'all. Alright guys, so y'all can see we have everything unboxed. Let me show you what we have. Okay, so the first thing we have is some fuel line. I'm pretty sure this is 3/8, and we're gonna need this for the connection from the fuel tank to the truck lines. Then we have some fittings, because if you look at here, this is a 5/16, and like normally like the truck has a 3/8 connected here. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the fitting from the truck line and connect one of these to it, so we can actually connect it to our sending unit. We have clamps, so we also have some bolts and some washers so we can actually mount the tank to the truck. Then we have a clamp to put the sending unit inside the tank, and then the most important thing is we have the new fuel tank. So yeah, like this one goes in the back of the seat. This is where you put the fuel in, and then like this is where the sending unit goes. But when I was looking at the truck, it seems to me that like the wire that goes to the gauge, so you can tell you how much fuel you have, is disconnected. So we're gonna have to do something about that so we can make that work. Oh, and then we also have like this chrome cap. So whenever you're done filling up, you can just close the fuel tank. Okay guys, so the first thing we have to do is we have to take off the seat so we can go ahead and install the tank to it and bolt it down. Let's go do that right now. Okay guys, so next thing we're gonna do is we gotta take out the seat so we can access the fuel lines in the back and also put the fuel tank in the back. Alright guys, so we have the tank off. So the next thing we have to do is we have to cut down this gas line like around here somewhere, because like this fitting is too small for the sending unit's fitting. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it like right here. And then we're gonna put some 3/8 fuel line, clamp it down, then get our other connector connected to the 3/8 fuel line, then clamp it down again. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so we were able to take off the fitting right here. We were able to cut it off. So now we're gonna go ahead and like take off like the leftover debris from here. We're gonna go ahead. So this is the fitting I was talking about. The one we're gonna be putting here, it's gonna go like this. So yeah, so let's go ahead and cut the hose down a little bit so you can go ahead and put this in here and get this done. Cut down. Then we're gonna push it a little bit more through. Okay, now that's pushed through. We're gonna go ahead and get one of our clamps right here. We're gonna put this one through. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten the clamp up so we don't have it leaking any gas. Okay guys, so the next thing we have to do is we have to put the fuel tank down. So we're gonna connect this one. We're gonna start put in the truck and start installing it. And the way we're gonna do that is we have these little washers, or these little plates that go right here, so it can hold it. And then we also have some bolts. These are the bolts. So there's 7 bolts that attach to the tank. So there's a bolt right here, another one on the floor right here, another one up here, another one right there, one right here, and one right here. So that's 7 bolts. Alright guys, so we have the tank in. Now we're gonna bolt it down and make sure it's secure so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright guys, so we have a tank bolted down. All the bolts are on, so it's firm, it's not gonna go anywhere. But yeah, it was a little bit hard because you had to get it aligned perfectly. But yeah, we got it done. So the next thing is putting the sending unit in. Okay guys, so this is the sending unit right here. And these are the clamps, so we can clamp it onto the tank. Then this is the washer, so like nothing will come out. Or actually a grommet, not a washer. Then this is like the fitting we just made right now. So it's gonna go in here. Then this is we connect the negative. Okay guys, so the way this one gives signal to the gas gauge or the fuel gauge is that like you connect the negative to here. Whenever like the tank starts filling up with fuel, this starts to go up, and like this blocks the signal. So like the resistance starts going down and down and down until you get up here. So like basically like if you disconnect the negative from the sending unit, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna show you how much gas you have. So yeah, it's just like super simple. Like, so right there it's empty, it's gonna be empty. Then like as soon as like it starts getting gas and it starts floating up, the resistance will start going away, then like until like there's nothing, and it's gonna start reading full. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the sending unit in. These are a little bit tricky to put in, so what I like to do is I like to put the float first, then push this through, then push. Yeah. Then like you leave it like that. Then you get your grommet and you put it in here. Okay guys, so this is a locking ring, and the way this works is you put it through the front, and then if it's like this, like if it's like that, and now what you have to do is push it down and twist it at the same time. Twist. It's a little bit hard, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this done. Okay guys, so it's locked in there. We were able to push all the way through. So now the next thing we have to do is connect the fuel line. Okay guys, so we're gonna put some Teflon tape on this. So what we're gonna do this is you wanna put it facing away from the direction you're gonna tighten it. So in this case, it's gonna be going to like the left. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put our adapter to the line right here. We're gonna have to push it through a little bit, like that. And then we're gonna see where it goes. Push it a little bit more. Right there. Perfect. Then we're gonna put our clamp right here. We're gonna turn it down. Okay guys, so we have everything plumbed up. Now we're gonna have to go underneath the truck and make sure all the connections are good to go. If you look right here, this is where the line goes into the cab, and we're gonna take it out from right here, and we're gonna put the original one back on. Okay guys, so next thing you have to do is connect the signal wire. This is the one that tells like the truck how much fuel is left in the tank. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this little bolt right here, and then we're gonna put a connection on this one, crimp it down, and connect it in here. Okay guys, so the next thing we have to do is fill up the tank with gas, and then put our new cool chrome cap. Okay guys, so we just got done filling up the tank with gas. So now we're gonna start the truck, see if there's any leaks anywhere, and make sure everything's tight and ready to go. And also check if like the fuel sending level is working. Okay guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is put a belt, because we took off the last one, so it was squeaking a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and put the other one back on. Okay guys, so we started the truck and like there's I don't see any fuel leaks or anything. We made sure to tighten down everything, so I guess that's a good thing. But yeah, it's running pretty good. It looks pretty clean in here. Only one problem though is that the sending unit or the fuel gauge is not working, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. I'm gonna have to see what else is wrong with there, for like the cables like it's shorting out anywhere. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the seat back in and clean out everything. I guess like, the door opened up whenever it was snowing and like some stuff in here, so we can go ahead and clean all this out. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see. In the next video, we're going to be changing out the whole lights in the truck. Headlights, turn signals, marker lights, and the lights in here. So yeah, see you guys.